So we got some canola oil on the grill. This is our batter. It's 1 cup of whole milk and 1 cup of self-rising flour. You can vary it just a little bit. You want it to pour out pretty easy because otherwise it'll get too thick and it won't cook all the way through, right? Put it on there. Butter back in the back corner in a little cream pitcher. That's getting melted. Pancake is underway. Temperature on the grill is around 350. You want it pretty hot, but don't. If it starts to smoke the grease, that's too high. You should never be smoking the grease. It makes it taste nasty and stuff too. So just play with your setting, and when you see it smoke, that's too high. Now what's going to happen here is that the baking powder is going to make these bubbles on this pancake, and I'm not going to waste your time. It's going to get bubbles all around the top and get pretty much solidified, and that's about the time that it'll be brown on the bottom, and we'll flip it. And just another few minutes on what was the top side, and you got yourself a completely finished pancake, and that's all there is to it. 1 cup of flour, self-rising, 1 cup of milk.